welcome back to my channel Eduvani. This is Manish and hope you all guys are doing great. So guys, in this video we'll talk about the top 5 job portals in India. I know guys, it's really difficult to get a job in India, but yes, there are few helpful and reliable job portals in India that will guide you in getting the desired job online. So guys, this is the small message from our side for you guys. So please वीडियो को 1 मिनट पॉज करके इसको पढ़िएगा जरूर. होपफुली ये आपको हेल्प करेगा कुछ. उसके बाद गाइज फर्स्ट जॉब पोर्टल है वो है नौकरी. सो नौकरी वाज फाउंडेड इन ईयर 1997 एंड इट मींस जॉब. Its name means job, and guys there are 50 million users profile on Naukri, and around 10,000 resumes get updated by the job seekers on this website on daily basis. And the best part of this website is it is completely free for the job seekers to use, and the users do not have to pay anything to apply for jobs unless they opt for a Naukri premium subscription. So guys, this is the first job portal which is most popular in India. So second one is Times Jobs. So guys, Times Job is operated by Times Group, and this is one of the best job site portal in India. Times Job portal primarily focuses on the jobs related to the corporate sectors such as IT, BPO and banking, and its community site is techgig.com. Times Job has a vast candidate base and lists jobs from India and abroad for professionals and freshers alike, and there are more than 60 million page views every month and crowded with over 2.2 crores of resume profiles all over the India. So guys, ये थी second job portal. उसके बाद third आता है Monster India. So Monster India is the world's biggest job search engine and is definitely among India's best job portals. And guys, you can almost call it Google of this job search world, and its headquarters is in USA. While Monster India helps people find jobs in India as well as their international counterpart Monster.com can help job seekers discover international jobs outside India. Thus, if you are using a young professional searching for a mid-level position, then Monster has some best multinationals looking for your attention. Thus, it is the best job site for startup jobs in a country like India. So guys, ये थी थर्ड जॉब पोर्टल. उसके बाद बात करते हैं फोर्थ इंडीड की. So guys, Indeed is another highly renewed job portal in India. Indeed.com acts as the catalyst in helping companies hire the right talent and job seekers an ideal job. Indeed provides services in over 60 countries, which allowing applicants to discover jobs in their field and their expertise. Besides offering career opportunities in most reputed companies, one can easily access to the resume writing services, which are an essential component for the job. Indeed has a solid user base than Monster and has more job listing देन अदर जॉब साइट्स इन इंडिया. सो गाइज, यहाँ पर जो मेन डिफरेंस था बाकी से वो ये था कि यहाँ पर आप रिज्यूम राइटिंग कर सकते हैं, एंड वो भी एक अमेजिंग रिज्यूम राइटिंग, एंड उसको आप अगेन फिर अप्लाई भी कर सकते हैं. सो इट इज़ वन ऑफ द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट जॉब पोर्टल इन इंडिया. एंड गाइज लास्ट फिफ्थ इज लिंक्डइन. सो आप लोगों ने लिंक्डइन के बारे में तो सुना ही होगा. ये गाइज जॉब पोर्टल ट्रेडिशनल जॉब साइट नहीं है, ये अभी एक सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म हो चुका है जहां पर आप लाइक सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म अदर्स हैं जो लाइक फेसबुक, तो उनकी तरह आप इसको ऑपरेट भी कर सकते हैं. अदर देन दिस यहाँ पर आपके फ्रेंड्स भी होंगे, वो आपको रेफर भी कर सकते हैं. गाइज यहाँ पर आप एचआर से नहीं जाकर डायरेक्टली आप रिक्रूटमेंट मैनेजर से कम्युनिकेट कर सकते हैं. सो गाइज द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट दिस वेबसाइट इज दैट इट इज पोजिशन्ड एज द नेटवर्किंग एंड जॉब हंट प्लेटफॉर्म फॉर एक्सपर्ट्स वर्ल्ड वाइड. बिसाइड योर कनेक्शंस कैन ऑल्सो endorse you for different skills and give you recommendations. It can help prospective employers to have a good idea about your qualities, skills sets. Because it is a social networking website, it is quite simple to access the managers and professionals without going through their HR department. So guys, ये थी आज की वीडियो. होपफुली ये वीडियो आपके लिए यूजफुल रही होगी. Guys, if you think this video helped you a little bit, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel. So thank you guys for watching the video and stay tuned up with Eduvani. Thank you. Bye.